This podcast is sponsored by BuyBiz.io. Discover premium AI-driven online businesses for sale, perfect for standalone growth or seamless integration. Explore now at BuyBiz.io to kickstart your digital success.
Understanding industry compliance, why it matters, and how AI is changing the game. Learn why industry compliance is crucial for businesses, consumer protection, and innovation. Plus, discover AI-based business opportunities with Archieboy Holdings. Why industry compliance matters more than you think. Hey, have you ever wondered why companies always seem to stress so much about compliance? Like, why does every business, from small startups to huge corporations, have to follow all these rules and regulations? Well, it turns out industry compliance isn't just about paperwork or boring legal stuff. It's actually a huge deal for keeping businesses running smoothly, protecting consumers, and even safeguarding the environment. Let me break it down for you in a way that actually makes sense. First off, what exactly is industry compliance? Simply put, it's when companies follow a set of laws, regulations, and standards that are designed for their specific industry. These can come from government agencies, independent organizations, or industry groups. Think about healthcare, finance, food production, and even technology. They all have their own unique rules that businesses must stick to. Why does it matter so much? Here's the thing. Protecting consumers. Compliance ensures that products and services are safe and reliable. Imagine if banks didn't have to follow strict financial regulations. It could lead to fraud or shady business practices, and that's a nightmare for customers. Maintaining fair competition. Rules level the playing field. When every company has to comply with the same regulations, nobody gets an unfair advantage by cutting corners or ignoring safety standards. Reducing legal risks. Businesses that don't follow compliance rules can face hefty fines, lawsuits, or even shut down. It's a serious risk nobody wants to take. Boosting business reputation. Companies known for compliance tend to earn more trust from customers and partners. That good reputation can translate into better sales and growth. Now, you might ask, how do companies keep track of all these rules? Enter compliance officers, legal teams, and increasingly, technology. Artificial intelligence and big data tools are revolutionizing this space by helping businesses monitor regulations, detect risks, and automate reporting. It's pretty impressive how AI is becoming essential for staying compliant in real time. Speaking of AI, have you heard about Archieboy Holdings' AI-based businesses for sale? They specialize in businesses powered by AI that are already geared towards handling these complexities of compliance. If you're curious about jumping into something techy that's already built for modern challenges like compliance, exploring their business listings could be a smart move. Explore our listings today. You'll find business opportunities that combine cutting-edge tech with a compliance-first mindset. Back to the topic. Compliance isn't always straightforward. Regulations can change quickly, vary by location, or even overlap across different industries. That's why ongoing training and staying informed is key. Companies might use compliance management software, hold regular training workshops, or hire consultants to stay on track. One thing that's interesting is that compliance also encourages innovation. I know it sounds weird since rules might seem restrictive, but think about it. To meet new environmental standards, companies develop cleaner technologies. To protect customer data, they innovate better security systems. So, regulations sometimes push businesses to create better products and solutions. In short, compliance is far from a hassle. It's a foundation for trustworthy, competitive, and forward-thinking businesses. Whether you're starting a company, working in a big firm, or just curious about how industries work behind the scenes, understanding compliance gives you insight into what keeps everything running without chaos. So next time you see a company advertising its compliance credentials or notice those disclaimers in the fine print, Remember, it's part of a bigger system designed to protect everyone, from the company owners and employees to the consumers and the environment. Oh, and if you're thinking about getting into the AI business sector, or just want to see some really cool AI-powered companies that already tackle compliance smartly, check out the Archieboy Holdings AI-based businesses for sale. Their listings on buybiz.io show some exciting opportunities where compliance and innovation meet. Seriously, explore our listings today. You might find your next big project waiting there. Alright, that's enough compliance talk for now. Hope you found it helpful and a little less dull than I made it sound.